Kamini ma'am, uh,
Yes, sir. Shall we
yeah,
start the session?
yeah, Miss Vani is there in the room.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome, madam. Welcome once again.
Welcome, Vani ma'am. Welcome once again.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
It's a
Hi.
pleasure to be here.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay, our guest speaker has already joined. So a wonderful afternoon to you all present in this session. Why wonderful? Because today we have a wonderful personality among us, Miss Vani Bhasin. I, Dr. Kamini Bhasin, welcome you, Miss Vani Bhasin, on the behalf of JP University of Engineering and Technology, Guna. A heartiest welcome to you, Miss Vani. Before I request Miss Vani to start the live performance, I would like to give the brief introduction of her with you. A magnetic, musically enthusiastic performer with dynamic energy, singer, songwriter, performer, Vani Bhasin has taken over the indie scene with her distinct writing and catchy melodies. A dentist by profession and a musician by heart. She is living the best of both worlds. She showcased her talent in 2019 with her debut song Bewafa in collaboration with Switchers, which was released by G Music. Her second song, Give You All, also by collaboration with the Switcher, landed her on multiple playlists, giving her well deserved recognition. Officially affiliated with T Series, she is certified vocalist by T Series, Stageworks Academy. Along with her singing, Vani Bhasin showcased her talent in many TV commercials like that of the celebrated coffee brand Nescafe and India's largest preventive healthcare lab, ThyroCare. She has also been seen anchoring shows of numerous Bollywood stars like Tapsi Pannu and Anubhav Sinha, Adnan Sami, etc. at T-Series events. So, without wasting much time, I would like to invite Ms. Vani to start the much awaited live performance. Please, Vani, over to you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Kamini, for such a warm and hearty welcome. And it's so good to be back, JP Guna. I have been waiting to come back and perform here for you guys for so long. So thank you so much for having me. And to all the students who are having their induction program done today, how are you feeling? Can I have some enthusiasm? And also, can you have your videos on so that I can see your beautiful faces and the excitement on your faces? So can we please have that? Can everyone just have their video cameras on as it's an interactive session? Let's keep it that way. So I request everyone to keep their cameras on and use the chat box as much as you can because that's how we can interact in these times. So everyone, show me your faces. I'm literally looking at everyone's faces at the moment. So as many faces as I'll be able to see, it'll make me very happy. Okay, hello everyone. I hope you're having a good day. So, and first of all, welcome. It's totally fine. So first of all, welcome as it's your induction program and you're into a very wonderful university which is doing such a great program and an event for you so that you know you can get to know a little bit about the university so that you can get to know a little bit about each other, your teachers. So can we have a little bit of clap for that? Can you guys please clap for your university, your teachers who are organizing this show for you? Fortunately, yes, amazing. All right, that's awesome. Okay, so we'll start and use your chat box as much as you can. If you have any requests for me, I would love to sing those songs for you. And here it goes. And the only thing I want out of you guys is that I want you to have fun. So loosen up. Nobody is judging. Keep your cameras on. If you feel like dancing, go ahead and do it. We would love to see that. Okay. चली रे चली रे कतरा कतरा लम्हों को पिए पिंजरे से उड़ा दिल का शिकरा खुद ही से मैंने इश्क किया रे सिंह जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया ओ जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया ओ चली रे जुन्नू को लिए पिंजरे से उड़ा दिल का शिकरा खुद से मैंने इश्क किया जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया ओ जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया ओ So now, I'm loving the comments, by the way. Fire and fab and whatnot. पलके पलके पर्दों में तितली जैसे रख लो तो हाथों में रंग बह जाता है पलकों से जब छोड़ो तो वक्त चलता है वक्त का मगर रंग उतरता अकीरा उड़ते उड़ते फिर एक लम्हा मैंने पकड़ लिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया ओ जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया ha ha ha. So this was the start of the show, and I usually try to start the show with this. Thank you guys. Thank you Mohit, thank you Aran, thank you Kavyan. Thank you so much. Where are my girls at? I'd like to see them. Where are the girls?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are you doing, lovely?
Very well, ma'am.
Are you enjoying this university? I am amazing. I'm here. I'm feeling great.
Switch on your cameras, girl. Switch on
Yes,
your
come
camera.
on. Let me see your beautiful faces.
This one, I wanted to see your face.
Yes,
Switch on your camera.
yes, please. Hey,
Good, good.
how are you doing, Shreya?
Very well, ma'am.
That's amazing. And how are you feeling in this university now that you've entered? How is it making you feel? Are you ready for the next
Exciting.
phase of your life?
Yes, ma'am. Very
That's
much.
amazing. Amazing. So, did you guys watch this movie recently, which everyone has been talking about? So, who here have watched Sher Shah? Can I get a
Watched, ma'am.
yes?
Yes.
Okay, guys, you can just keep
Yes, ma'am.
commenting. Okay, that's great. तेरी मेरी गल्ला हो गई मशहूर तेरी मेरी गल्ला हो गई मशहूर करना कभी तो मुझे नजरों से दूर किथे चलाए तो किथे चलाए तो किथे चलाए जानदा है दिल पे जानदा है तू तेरे बिना मैं न रहूं मेरे बिना तू किथे चलाए तो किथे चलाए तो किथे चलाए mute yourself and sing it if you know the lyrics. And you can, you're just entering your college and you're seeing all these lovely faces and I'm pretty sure आप सबने एक दूसरे से थोड़ी तो बात कर ली होगी. So why don't you tag the person you badly want to be friends with in the middle of the song in the comment section. And guys, please put yourself on mute. So do that, okay? तेरे मेरे गल्ला हो के मशहूर मैंने कभी तो मुझे नजरों से दूर
कितने चले कितने चले तू कितने चला
जानदा है दिल ते जानदा है तू तेरे बिना मैं ना रहूं मेरे बिना तू किथे चला है तू किथे चला है तू किथे चला है Please put yourself on mute. काटू कैसे राता जिया नहीं जाता लंबे राता
लंबे लंबे रे
चलो तेरे
कटे
संगे
तेरे
संगे
संगे
ये राता
राता लंबे लंबे
चलो तेरे
कटे
संगे
तेरे
संगे
संगे
I'm so happy to see that you guys are enjoying this. Arun, can we please have you on mute?
Okay.
Yes, and you can sing it then. चम 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 चंद्रा दे तारे खेले ने सजना तू ही अब मेरा इस दिल दा मरने में सजना तेरे बिन मेरा हो बिना गुजारा तू ही तेरा वे बनू तू ही है सहारा काटू कैसे राता
ओ सावरे
जिया नहीं जाता सुन बाबरे के राता लंबिया लंबिया रे चलो तेरे संगिया संगिया रे के राता लंबिया लंबिया रे चलो तेरे संगिया संगिया रे Well, I'm happy to see कि इतने सारे सिंगर्स यहाँ पे हैं जो इतना खुल के गाना पसंद करते हैं. So एक चीज हमें इस गाने से पता चली कि you guys love this song and the other thing is कि you guys love to sing. So keep that up. एक बार कॉलेज भी शुरू हो जाए. Don't stop doing that. जितने भी यहाँ पे talented लोग हैं, college is, I believe that college is literally the best time to explore yourself, to get to know more about yourself because school में I think कि you know we have to follow certain rules, but college is a place where you can actually find yourself and find your personality. So please keep that up. If you want to pursue anything, be good academically, obviously you are here to do that, but don't forget to just explore all the options and do as many things as you can in these 3 or 4 years of your life because you literally miss them the most. And so keep that up. All right, so acha laga ki you guys like the song. So now who over here knows Olivia Rodrigo? Keep your hands up in the comment section and please keep your cameras on because I want to see you guys. Yeah, so you guys know Olivia, right? She's so cool. Right, she's amazing, right? It's so crazy. She's literally just 16 or 17 and she's achieved so much and I love her songwriting and the way she sings and I hope you like it. Car rides in Malibu, strawberry ice cream, 1 spoon for 2, we're trading jackets, laughing about how small it looks on you. Laughing, reruns of Glee being annoying, singing in harmony. I bet she's bragging to all her friends, saying you're so unique. So when you're gonna tell her that we did that too, she thinks it's special. Oh, it's so real, that was our place. I found it first. I made the jokes you tell to her when she's with you. Do you get deja vu when she's with you? Do you get deja vu? Do you get deja vu? Sing. Yes, it's deja vu. I want you to sing it. Sing. You call her and say my name, 'cause let's be honest, we kinda do sound the same. Another actress. I hate to think that I was just your type. I bet that she knows Billy Joel, 'cause you played her uptown girl. We're singing it together, and I bet you even tell her how you love. In between the chorus and the verse. If you know the chorus of the song, I want you to sing it. So when you're gonna tell her that we did that too, she thinks it's special. Oh, it's so real. That was our show. We talked about, played you the song she's singing now when she's with you. Do you get deja vu when she's with you? Do you get deja vu? Do you get deja vu? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sing! Ooh, strawberry ice cream in Malibu. Don't act like you didn't do that shit too. A different girl now, but there's nothing new. Everything is already on the piano, but she doesn't know that I was the one who tried you, Billy Joel. I'm different girl now, but there's nothing new. I know you get deja vu. Sing. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I know you get deja vu. I know you get deja vu. So yes, that was Deja Vu. If you did not know that song, thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. You don't have to unmute yourself to clap. It's so sweet. Thank you guys. Thank you. All right. So if you're liking my music, you can definitely check it out on all major music streaming platforms. My name is Vani Taseen with double A. And yeah, so as ma'am talked about, that I'm a songwriter as well. So I have a song out already. Actually, two of them are out. But this song is a little special because it's my first song. And just like first love, first songs are also very special. Wow, Dia's already asking for it. That's so sweet. And so this song comes from a very special place of my heart. This song is about sadness and it's about betrayal. And it's basically about love and devotion, which gets mistaken for obsession. The name of this song is Bewafa, and I hope you guys like it. And I really hope that you are not able to relate to it because it's a sad song and you guys are so young for it. But if you like it, hit the thumbs up and enjoy. आँखों ही आँखों में इस पल को जीना था तुमने तो यूं बेवजह थी मेरी ये ख्वाहिश तुम्हारे सदा इश्क चले मेरा यूं इस तरह And if you know the lyrics to the song, write them. La, 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 la. Wow, beautiful, Abhishek. आँखों ही आँखों में इस पल को जीना था तुमने तो यूं बेवजह मेरी ये ख्वाहिश तुम्हारे सदा इश्क चले मेरा यूं इस तरह and now my eyes won't dry and I just wanna stay high when your hands touch mine. मैं हंसती खेलती रहनी सी हर दुख तो दूर मैं बहनी सी why did you do this बेवफा साडे दिल दी जो सारी गल्लां सी हुण गूंजती मेरे कन्ना विच why did you do this बेवफा बेवफा हंसते ही हंसते यूं तुमने मुंह मोड़ा था ऐसी क्या की मैंने खता था मेरा ये डर ना के भर जाए दिल ना तुम्हारा मुझसे इस तरह and I'm a ghost alive and I just wanna say hi but when I see your eyes मैं हंसती खेलती रहनी सी हर दुख तो दूर मैं बहनी सी why did you do this बेवफा साडे दिल दी जो सारी गल्लां सी हुण गूंजती मेरे कन्ना विच why did you do this बेवफा बेवफा Thank you, Arjun. Arjun just commented on my YouTube. Thank you so much,
Super,
Arjun.
ma'am. Super.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Bhanu. Thank you, yeah. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Mahan. Thanks a lot, guys.
Awesome.
So now I want you guys to have your video cameras on because I want to do this exercise, which I love a lot. Okay, guys, I need your video cameras on for that. Girls, everyone. Okay. So, yes, everyone's camera is on. Now I want to see everyone do this, like loosen up a bit. Just loosen up a bit. Just do your weird step or weird dance. Just move your hands all around. Just do it, guys. Come on, it'll be fun. Where's the spirit at? Come on, you guys. It's the best time of your life. I want to see you guys moving a little the way I am. Just do it. It'll be fun. Trust me, you won't look foolish. Or just if you're just scared, just put your cameras off and then do it. Just loosen up a little. No one is doing it. Okay, all right. So in the comment section, tell me who is your best friend from this batch. Just name that person so that they know that that person is special. It can be a friend. Jeet Gupta is saying no one. Then try to make friends. Come on, it's your college life. You're supposed to have fun. I want everyone to comment. Yes. And don't be shy, okay? This is literally the only time I think you'll get to be so. Because, it's easier to talk on chat. And when you're in front of the person, you're just like, what should I even say anything? So just a big interaction. Just try to have some interaction. Silky is saying Mohit, Silky and Mohit are my great friends. Shambhavi is also here. All right. So... Yes, guys, come on. It's okay if you haven't met. Try to talk to each other because, you guys will be spending a lot of time together. It's okay even if you're at home. You have this, you're talking, you can see each other now, right? You're here together. So try doing that. It'll be great. नी मैं रज रज हिजर मनावा नी मैं खुद तौर से मुड़ जावा नी मैं रज रज हिजर मनावा नी मैं खुद तौर से मुड़ जावा. Tag your friends. let them know that they're special, or just tag someone you want to know here. नी मैं रज रज हिजर मनावा, ओनी मैं खुद तोर सुमड़ जावा, ओनी मैं रज रज हिजर मनावा, नी मैं खुद तोर सुमड़ जावा। कल्ली भीड़ च बैठी तेरी पीड़ ल बैठी, रसिया रांझा वे मेरा मैं भी कम रखी। गर्ल्स कल्ली भीड़ च बैठी तेरी पीड़ ल बैठी, रसिया रांझा वे मेरा मैं भी कम नैठी। Do you know the song? चुप माही चुप है राजा, बोले कैसे वे ना जा। चुप माही चुप है राजा, जा 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 जा। बोले कैसे वे ना जा, बोले कैसे वे ना जा। चुप माही चुप है राजा, जा जा जा। मेरा ढोला नहीं आया ढोला, रे मेरा ढोला नहीं आया ढोला, रे मेरा ढोला नहीं आया ढोला, रे मेरा ढोला नहीं आया। और अब भी खेल है खेले, रोज लगावे मेले, कहंदा कुछ न बदला, छुट बोले हर वेले। और अब भी खेल है खेले, रोज लगावे मेले, कहंदा कुछ न बदला, झूठ बोले हर वेले। वन सिंग चुप माही चुप है राजा, बोले कैसे वे ना जा, बोले कैसे वे ना जा, जा 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 जा। बोले कैसे वे ना जा, बोले कैसे वे ना जा। चुप माही चुप है राजा, आजा आजा आजा। चुप माही चुप है राजा, बोले कैसे वे ना जा। चुप माही चुप है राजा, आजा आजा आजा। Thank you guys. I'm so happy that you're enjoying it. So now these are going to be the last two songs, and for them I want you to loosen up a little. So the next song that I'm doing is my own song. This song is about, it can remind you of your first love. So have you ever been in love? Let me know in the comment section. Is it a yes? Is it a no? Is it a no? I'm shy, I won't tell you. I'm a personal person, which is okay, right? Okay, some people are saying yes, some are saying no. Okay, Isha and Shreya are saying no. Simran is like every day. I love that. Okay. So to all the people who are saying yes, do you remember the feeling of first love? Everyone, please put yourself on mute so that there is no disturbance. Okay, so everyone's saying yes, and if you remember it, that's great. I hope that this song reminds you of that special someone. And here it goes. The name of this song is Give You All, and it's out on all major music streaming platforms. So if you haven't heard it, please go ahead and do it. ये जाने अनजाने में कुछ न कुछ हो गया है, फिर मेरे इन फासलों से दिल भी उजल रहा है। तेरी याद है सताती, अश्क भी डुबाती है, ख्वाब फिर भी है अपने दरमियां। तूने जो ना कहा वो भी सुना, फिर मुझसे क्यों खफा। तेरी याद मुझे सताती रहे, क्यों ये तुझको ना दिखा। तारा love you and I need you now, and I want to give you my all. Oh, that I love you and I need you now, and I want to give you my all. If if you're enjoying this, you can just screen record, or you can make some videos and upload them on Instagram or YouTube and tag me. I would love to do that. कैसे सहे ये दूरी तुझे देखने को दिल चाहे आरज़ू कर दो पूरी इन कागजों की तरह हम भी उमड़ जाते हैं ख्वाब फिर भी अपने दरमियाँ तूने जो ना कहा वो भी सुना फिर मुझसे क्यों खफा तेरी याद मुझे सताते रहे क्यों ये तुझको ना दिखा तेरी अखा विच मैं बस जावा तेनू दिल च मैं अपने बसावा तेरे नाल मैं जिंदगी बितावा जिंदड़िए तेरी अखा विच मैं बस जावा दिल च मैं अपने बसावा तेरे नाल मैं जिंदगी बितावा जिंदड़िए So this was give you all and बस करो रुलाओगे क्या नहीं रोने का बिल्कुल नहीं है बिल्कुल भी नहीं रोना है and so I'm glad that you guys liked it. If you're enjoying this and if you want to connect with me, you can connect with me on my Instagram or YouTube or Facebook. My username is Vani Basim. That's my name. So I would love to connect with you guys and it's so good to see that you guys are enjoying it. Okay, so let's do this. Are you ready for the last song? Can I have a thumbs up? You're my starlight, I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. JB, go now! You can fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm levitating. Woo! You can fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you. Moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. 2, go, sing. You can fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm levitating. Woo! You can fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah, 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 yeah. JP, thank you so much for having me. I had a wonderful time. I wish you guys a wonderful future. And I had a lovely time. Thank you so much for having me. I'm Vani Christine. And wishing you guys all the best. Thank you so much. I hope you had a great time.
Thank you, Miss Vani. It was really mesmerizing.
Thank you,
So-
Dr. Kamini. I had a lovely time. We are
So
both the
it's time,
scenes.
it's time to convey the word of thank.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
All good things comes to an end. So is today's session. So I, on the behalf of entire JUET fraternity, extend my heartiest thank to Ms. Vani for such a wonderful session. It was
Thank you so
really
much for having me. I hope that we get to do it live someday. I cannot wait for that to happen.
yes, sure. Okay, thank you so much,
Thank
Vani.
you, Dr.
Thank you.
Kamini. Take care, JP. All the very best to all the students. Goodbye.